Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Have you been in a situation where you want to print a PDF file and you click over the print button but actually nothing happens? No error, no warning, just silence. If your PDF refuses to print and it's driving you crazy, don't worry, you are not alone, and yes, there is a super quick fix. The first thing that you have to try is actually by going over the PDF file and you open it with another PDF reader, which could be a Foxit PDF reader or any other PDF reader. It could be also a browser, and you try if it's something related with a PDF reader or it's a file problem. If it prints with the other browsers or different PDF readers, then you have to go back again to Adobe Acrobat and do the following to fix the problem. So basically the first thing, you have to make sure that your printer is working fine, and you have to make sure that it can print in other PDF readers like browser or something. And then if we are done with that part, what is needed to be done is to go over menu on Adobe Reader, and over there you have to click over preferences over here, and then from the options on the left you have to find security enhanced. We click over there, and then here you have to unselect the protected mode at startup. By doing this, you are disabling protected mode, which also disable protected view and app container. For changes to take effect, you need to manually restart the application. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, we do this, and then we press over OK. We restart or we close the PDF reader, which is in this case Adobe Reader, and then we open it again, and then we give it a try to print it again, and most probably it will work after you do these steps that I just showed here. That's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you liked this video and I hope it helped you to fix this kind of problems with printing, which is basic, but I know that sometimes it can piss you off. Share your ideas if you have other options how to fix these kind of problems with your PDF readers. Thanks a lot for watching. All the best.